Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. So today when I update the machine, so I get an error of while booting up the Linux Ubuntu operating system. So this is the message I got it from Ubuntu. Kernel Panic and please reboot your computer. VFS unable to mount FS on the Ubuntu block 0 by 0. So I just resolved this one. There is a simple trick to resolve this one. So let me show up. So I'm booting up the machine. So right here you can see up. This is the Ubuntu direct one which I am booting normally. So it like this I am getting the error, the kernel panic. So what I did is just hardly shut down your machine. So again you boot up the machine. Once you boot it up, go with the advanced. Right here it will show. You can see the second option, the advanced. You can see up here. Click on the advanced options. And here you can see the two things. So the latest one which is I updated 6.17 and the second one is 6.14. This is the previous version of the kernel. So select this one, 6.14th version. So it will going to run the Ubuntu operating system. Now open the terminal. Now check the kernel right now is 6.14. Earlier which was we are booting up in the 6.17. So we have to list it out. The version, type dpkg list. In the single quotes type the Linux image star, and again in the single quotes Linux headers star, and the pipe grep 0.17 -i. So these things we have to remove it in the machine. So let's first update the system. pt 8. Yeah, once you updated, again list out this one. Now type this sudo apt org and just copy and paste it one by one. So these are related to the 6.17 kernel version. You can see up here. So let's remove it. Why? Yes, continue. So is failing to remove this file because directory is not empty. Let's try it out. Sudo apt fix broken all. Then now type sudo apt auto remove. So these are the following things going to removing it in your machine. So it consumes around 328 MB. So it's cleaning up. Selected kernel 6.17 is going to cleaning up here. Yeah, it's you can see up here they updated in its terms RAMs is generated boot into the 6.14 what we are right now is using. This kernel is working, so is move back to the previous version kernel. So once you're done, you can reboot it. Now I'm not going to change anything. Here you can see in the advanced option there is 6.17 of the kernel is removed from the boot. So I'm going to the default one, the Ubuntu. So it's going to booting up in the normal way. So there is a corrupt in the kernel panic of 6.17 version. So it's booted. Now system is rebooted and check the kernel. Yeah, and check the list. There is no list in the version of 6.17 kernel. So that's it. Once again, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.